Neil here from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean. Just going to show you this. We're just working off a boom lift here, as you can see, on a property in the inner suburbs. As you can see here, it's really dirty. It looks like there's been quite a bit of water damage here to the eaves. You can see I'm just spraying it up with chemical first up, so that you can see that dirt just flying off. We're going to clean all the fascia on the building and the mold just sitting there. I'm just going to wash all of this underside as well, so that we can see how bad that is. Look at that. Get that all tidied up for them. So yeah, we do a lot of render and exterior cleaning. If you have any kind of exterior cleaning requirements, let us know. We'd be happy to help. At least we can give you a quote and see if that's something you'd be interested in. I'll show you the results of this at the end. So these are the finished results. As you can see, we just washed this panel down here and all this boarding. You can see how clean and clear it looks, including under the eaves, which was really filthy. Generally dirt and dust will collect under those eaves, and that's a real general hotspot. I'll just show you through here. So on these properties, and you'll see it fairly consistent in the neighbours as well, wherever they join the flashing, this metal capping, it's sometimes called capping, sometimes they call it flashing, but that's where a lot of the problem is, and a lot of the time it's because it has not been properly sealed by the original plumbing company that put it on. So that is often a reason why it continues to drip, and then it basically etches the paint, and we can't do anything about that now. But fundamentally it looks a lot better than where we started, and that's what we were hired to do. So I hope that's helpful, and if you need a quote for any kind of exterior cleaning, then do give us a call. We'll be happy to help you.